Have you ever wondered if you can actually make money using Stash? I mean, it's a popular app for investing, but does it really pay off? Let's dive into the world of Stash and see if it's a viable option for growing your wealth. Is it just a fun little app to track your stocks, or can it actually generate significant returns? Understanding Stash. What is Stash? For those who are new to Stash, it's essentially a micro-investing app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds, even with small amounts of money. It's designed to be user-friendly, making investing accessible to everyone. How does Stash work? Stash uses a fractional share system, meaning you can buy parts of a stock or ETF, regardless of its price. This is great for beginners who might not have the funds to purchase a whole share. Stash's fees. One important thing to note is that Stash does charge fees. There's a monthly subscription fee, and you might also incur fees for certain features or transactions. It's crucial to understand these costs before you start investing. Can you make money with Stash? Potential for returns. The potential for making money with Stash is real. If you invest wisely and choose stocks or ETFs that perform well, you can see your investments grow over time. However, it's important to remember that investing involves risk, and there's no guarantee of profits. Factors affecting returns. Several factors can influence your returns on Stash, including market performance. The overall performance of the stock market will significantly impact your investments. Your investment strategy. How you choose to invest your money will play a crucial role. Fees. The fees associated with Stash can eat into your profits. Case studies. Let's look at some real-life examples of people who have used Stash to make money. We'll examine their strategies, returns, and the challenges they faced. Stash versus other investment options. Comparing Stash to traditional brokerages. How does Stash compare to traditional brokerages? Are there advantages or disadvantages to using Stash over a full-service broker? Robo-advisors versus Stash. Another popular investment option is robo-advisors. Let's discuss the key differences between robo-advisors and Stash, and which one might be better suited for you. Is Stash right for you? Assessing your goals. Before you decide to invest with Stash, it's important to consider your financial goals. Are you looking for long-term growth, or do you need quick access to your funds? Risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with risk? Stash involves investing in stocks and ETFs, which can be volatile. If you're risk-averse, you might want to consider other investment options. Let's summarize what we've learned about Stash. We've discussed its features, fees, and the potential for making money. We've also compared it to other investment options. Ultimately, whether or not Stash is right for you depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. It's a great tool for beginners who want to start investing with small amounts of money, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. If you're interested in learning more about Stash or exploring other investment options, I encourage you to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. Remember, investing is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.